Hello and welcome to How to Grow Cineraria from Seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available at garden stores. On the reverse of the packet you'll find growing times and conditions for your region. Step 2. Plant the seeds in a propagator tray. A propagator tray is a shallow plastic tray with a transparent plastic lid which is ideal for germinating seeds. First fill the tray with compost. Press the compost down firmly to remove any air pockets. Now water the compost. We do this now because if we did it later we'd wash away the seeds. Open the seeds and then sprinkle evenly on top of the compost. Cover with a thin layer of compost and then press down to remove any air pockets. Fit a label, then fit the propagator lid and keep at 20 degrees C. Step 3. Within 2 to 4 weeks the seeds will begin to germinate. Step 4. When the plants have at least 2 sets of leaves, transplant them into pots. Fill a pot with compost, then press a hole in the middle using your fingers. Hold the seedling by its leaf and try to remove as much root as possible. Place the plant in the hole in the compost, then gently press down around the roots. Finally, water the plant into place. Step 5. Keep the plants warm and watered and they'll begin to mature. Step 6. When the risk of any frosts has passed, it's time to plant outside. First dig your soil and then rake it to a fine tilth. First water the plants before transplanting them. Mark a line in your border using a piece of string. Dig a small hole using a garden trowel, then remove the plant from the pot, plant it in the hole and gently press round the roots. Finally, give the plant a good watering. Step 7. Keep weed free and keep watered, and the plants will gradually mature. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.